So hello guys, we're gonna try to pull out the wiggly tooth of Matt. Come here. First, the left or the right? Which is the wiggly? More wiggly?
Right.
The right. Okay. You ready? Okay. Look it. Do like that, and then we're gonna tie it.
That's the left.
Oh, okay. I do not know my left and right. Okay, dali. Looks like the left is more wiggly. Yeah, see? I think it's more wiggly. Let's do this one first. It's really, really wiggly. Don't do that to your tongue. See, let's video it first.
No, it's not that wiggly.
Okay. But we're gonna pull out the two though. Okay?
No, it's just a little.
Okay, come here.
Wiggly.
Okay,
like
look at me.
this wiggly.
Okay.
Much.
Okay, let me see. No, do that. Okay. Do that. It's not gonna hurt. Sissy, does it hurt? To pull out the teeth?
No.
Yeah.
I tried because
It's gone. It's done.
What?
No. Okay, let me see.
Oh. He's gonna cry when it's out because he's a crybaby.
No, do that. Don't look. Do that only. Do not look. Oh no.
What?
It went out. I know you as a father.
Here.
Okay.
Then what do you do?
Okay, you ready? Okay, look at me. Look at the lizard. Oh, it didn't go. It didn't work. Okay, again.
Because it needs to like bend all the way to the middle.
Okay. Okay, again.
No, like and it's loose and like if it wiggles all the way to the middle.
Okay, come here now. Move here. I cannot see you even.
Ah.
Okay, you ready? Are you ready? You ready?
You didn't.
Didn't?
Maybe it's too strong.
Yeah, I think so. No, it's wiggly. Again. It's not. It didn't bleed, so it's still there. It will not bleed that much though. Okay, again. Again.
Maybe tomorrow.
No, I need to tie it like 4 times. I need to tie it at least 4 times.
Can we just do it tomorrow?
What do you mean 2 hours?
Tomorrow.
Oh no, tomorrow. Only one tonight. Okay,
Please, tomorrow.
No, come here. One more try, okay? Let's try it one more time. Okay, let me change my
You made it hurt more.
more hurt?
Yeah.
Really?
How do you even rip it?
Oh, it's a magic. Only your mom can rip it.
With their teeth?
Like that. Okay, come here. Okay, come here.
The one more try.
Yeah, one more try. Here, look at me. Okay. Wait.
This is like freaking me out.
Why? If it doesn't hurt, no need to figure out. Okay, come here. Okay. Don't do that.
Ah.
No, don't do that.
Ah.
Ay, get out your thing.
Ah.
No,
What? Oh.
Ay, you push it with your thing, Matt, with your tongue.
Mom,
Yeah. What?
you're making it hurt.
Hurt? Oh no. You push it with your tongue.
I didn't not see that.
Okay. Okay, Jess. No need for that. Okay,
No, we're
Jess.
gonna put it in.
I know. I love you as a father.
Stop.
Okay, don't push it in with your tongue. Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Okay, wait, don't push it. Okay, I'm gonna tie it one more. Okay, ready?
Ah.
Let me see.
Ow.
What? Nope, it didn't yet get out. Let me see.
Ow.
Okay, one more.
No.
Huh? You don't want? Failure.